Hi guys, welcome to TechFox. Today in this video, we are going to see how to monetize our Blogger website with Adsterra. And this is a step-by-step tutorial, so please follow up in order to gain a maximum revenue from Adsterra.com. So now let's jump into it. So as the first step in the process of monetizing our blog, we should proceed to adsterra.com. And Adsterra.com is a premium advertising network, and it's trusted by lots of people in this world. And this Adsterra advertising network is supporting with Blogger website too. So now let's proceed to the sign up page of Adsterra. And if you are new to this platform, you can sign up by clicking on as a publisher. You can click on get started and you can start up with this. And as I'm already having an account, I'm going to click on login. And as I am a publisher, I'm going to click on as a publisher, and this will direct me to the login page of adsterra.com. So now I'm going to click on sign in. So yes, now we have successfully reached to the dashboard page of the adsterra.com. And now I'm going to open my blogger.com website. So this is my blogger website, and so I'm going to change this to this website, which is an awesome website. So now I'm going to click on websites, and this is the website which I have already added. So I will show the steps to add a website in adsterra.com. And as the first step, you should click and select all the URL, and you should copy it. And again, you should go to the Adsterra website section, and you should click on add website, and you should enter the URL of this website, and you should select the category, and you should select what ads to refrain from, and what ads you should add. So now I'm going to add this, and I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to keep software ads. And if I click on add, this will start to review our website. And so this is my website. I have added it, so and it's approved, and the approval status will come after 10 minutes or 5 minutes. And so now in order to add a code, I should in order to create an ad, I should click on add code, and this will show me some options like the sizes and the vast and social bar, direct link and pop under. And so now I'm going to add the pop under ad. So now I'm going to click on pop under and add. So this will show me your request has been submitted. You can paste your codes once they approved. Okay, so I'm click on got it, and you can see that the pop under is pending. So now I'm going to refresh the website again. So I'm going to click on all codes, and so as it takes little time, we are going to proceed to the 728 and 90 pixel iframe in order to we are going to place an ad in this website, and we can place this ad in this website. And so now I'm going to click on to the layout section in Blogger, and I can create a sidebar or a header section. So in order to create a gadget in the sidebar, I need to click on add a gadget, and this will show me some options what to add. So now I'm going to add HTML and JavaScript, and I'm going to paste this code which I have copied from here, and I'm going to paste it over here. So I have click on save, and I'm going to refresh. So this will not show up, and this will take some times to show, and we can proceed to the private window and recheck it whether it has appeared or not. So as you guys can see, this has not still appeared. So now I'm gonna pick a new one, and this is 300 and 250 pixel, and this is a rectangle. So now I'm gonna copy this and paste it, and I'm gonna take this down, and I'm gonna paste this here. So I'm gonna copy all, I'm gonna paste this, and so now we have updated again using 300 to 250. So again it doesn't show because it will take some time, and we need patience to wait. So now let's try to add a new or a best faster appearing ad service for the advertising size for the advertising banner. So as you guys can see, my pop under is also activated. So now I'm gonna add the social bar and native bar. And native bar means the bar which contains, or the sidebar which contains lots of element in it, lots of ads or elements in it. So now I can select how many ads to appear. Is it 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 or 2 to 1, or as you guys can see here it shows me a demo of this. So now I'm going to select 1 to 4 and click on save, and here I should copy this URL, and I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here, and so I'm going to delete the existing one, and I'm going to paste the new one, and I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to proceed to my website, and I'm going to click on refresh. And as you guys can see here, Adsterra ads are showing me, and I can click these ads and I can visit those websites and earn money. So as you guys can see, I have I have added the Adsterra ads on my blog. So now we have added the native banner successfully. So as you guys can see, we have added the pop under, and we have added the social bar and native bar, and most of the types of the ads, and we can head over to the statistics section in order to see our revenue, and I can see my revenue today, and how many clicks, and how many CTR and CPM rates. So as you guys can see, I have reached 27 impression now today, and I have received 4 clicks, and CTR percentage is 14, and I have earned 0. So as you guys can see, from overall I have earned so I can show you, I have earned like 0.031, or I have earned 0.01. So this is the best method to earn, as I am not having a good traffic for this website, and I have removed the ads of Adsterra. I am not getting a revenue from this. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe TechFox YouTube channel for more video tutorials and technology related ideas. See you.